Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys the latest font that has been added to Instagram, and it is for Olivia Rodrigo's third album promo, You Seem Pretty Sad for a Girl So in Love. So you are just going to make an Instagram story. So I'm just going to do that. Don't mind my blanket. And I'm just going to use this pink background for the story. Let's go to text here, and you'll see it here. It's the Olivia font. So I'm just going to type in, you seem pretty sad for a girl so in love. You can also change the colors like this. Super cute. I really like this font. Okay, let me just place it down here. And then if you go to music and you add one of her songs, the preview of it is so cool. So let's add this song. Hopefully, okay, let me just turn this down. Press this button. And as you can see, this is the look for it if you use this mode, I guess. Super cute. There is more for Instagram, which I will show you in a second. Let me just close this first. Also, one thing I forgot to mention, once you posted it and you turn the vinyl around, it looks like this. Super cool. And if you go to Instagram DMs, you can change the theme to the latest Olivia Rodrigo album aesthetic. So if you press on just the background, you can select this one. There are a bunch more that you can choose from, but this is the Olivia Rodrigo one. And then there's one more. All right, so if you edit your profile here, so select edit profile, and then go to add banners, and then go to music. And then if you, again, select Olivia Rodrigo songs, like this one, I think it's this one that works, and then drop dead as well, maybe, the ones that are in her new album. Press check mark. It's going to look like this on your profile, which is, again, super cute. So yeah, those are the 3 newish things that Instagram has added for the Olivia Rodrigo album. So if you wanna edit that, you are able to, and it just looks so cute. This is what it looks like, by the way, on the profile. But yeah, there's the new font, the music preview, and then there's the Instagram DM. And then there's the music on the profile that looks like this. So, maybe there's one more for the profile. I'm actually not sure. I might have to check that out. Actually, I'll go check that out right now before I end this video. Okay, there isn't another one, but if you are Olivia Rodrigo herself, you'll see that she has that same kind of theming going on for her name. It's super cute. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. Let me know in the comment section if you like this one, because I really like this one. I think it's so cute and quirky. And yeah, that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, you guys.